Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, our lesson, Unit 5, Heat and Light, is going on. Today, we have to do some explanations and then we will do some written work also. So, let's begin our today's lesson. Dear students, in the last lesson, we have learnt about two types of objects, transparent objects and opaque objects. Light can pass through some of the objects like air, water and glass. These are called transparent objects, the objects from which light can pass through. You can see the light from the other side of the object, like transparent glass window glass or transparent glass jar or any transparent sheet, air and water. Through all these things, light can pass through, and these objects are called transparent objects. Okay, dear students, the next type of objects we have learnt about was opaque objects. I hope you have learnt about opaque objects by doing an activity also. So, opaque objects, let's talk about a little more about opaque objects. Light can pass through some of the objects. These objects are called transparent objects, I told you. But there are some objects through which light cannot pass through. These objects like cardboard, like rubber, like wooden door, these are the objects through which light cannot pass through. You cannot see the light on the other side of that object, as you can see in the picture, that the torch light is switched on a cardboard, but you cannot see that torch light on the other side of the cardboard. So these types of objects through which light cannot pass through are called opaque objects. Okay, you can see some of the examples in the picture also. Dear students, we have done reading, explanation and written work on science book, page number 37. Today we are going to do your science book, page number 38. Okay, open up your books and let's begin our today's lesson, and that is question number 3. On page 38, you can see this question. Question number 3, name 3 things through which light can pass through, and 3 things you have to write the name of 3 things, any 3 things through which light cannot pass through. So there are 2 headings. First is light can pass through. So we have to write any 3 things through which light cannot pass through. I have written air, water and glass. So you also have to write in the columns on page 38. In question number 3, you have to write three things that are air, water and glass. I told you through air, water and glass, light can pass through easily. And under the heading light cannot pass through, you have to write 3 things, and that are, I have written wood, rubber, cardboard. Okay, I repeat, light can pass through air, water, glass. Light cannot pass through wood, rubber, cardboard. Okay students, I hope you have done this question number 3. Now, let's go towards question number 4. Okay, dear students, on the same page, page number 38, question number 4 is you have to write any two things which give us heat. Okay, from where we can get the heat. You have to write any two names of the things from where we can get heat to cook our food, heat to keep us warm in winter. So I have written fire and heater. Okay, these are the two things from which we can get heat. Fire can be of the flame. Fire is your stove's flame, okay, that gives heat and that helps us to cook our food on it. So fire and heater are the two things which I have written in the answer we can get heat from. I repeat the answer, fire and heater. Okay, now question number 5, and that is name two things which give us light. Okay, now you have to write the name of any two things which give us light, and I have written torch, bulb. I repeat, I have written and I have pasted the pics also. So you can also draw or paste the pics of the words you are writing, of the things you are writing. You can paste and you can also draw the pics to make your work beautiful and colorful. I have written, I am repeating, two things which give us light are torch and bulb. Okay, dear students, I hope you have done page 38 of your book, question number 3, 4 and 5. Now complete it, and please don't forget to send me the pics of your work. Allah Hafiz for today. Take care.